Hello and welcome back to this new episode. So today, as I promised, we will be handling the form submission. And to do that, I would like to move on first to the command product and the action section. I would like to update it using the following code. So it's Smarty stuff, Smarty server.http host to get that localhost / Prestashop or your domain name. And the Prestashop server request URI like in PHP to get what is after the domain name, so to get that man1 hummingbird stuff, right? Okay, great. For the template, now we move on to the class itself, and right here we'll be handling the submission. It will be inside the get widget variable method, and right here I would like to add a bit of commenting. So handle form submission. Okay, submission, and come on. And right here I'll be using the tool object from the Prestashop course. So it's a tools, and it have plenty of static method that we could access, and one of them is submit. So this submit will take a string as a parameter, and our parameter will be command. So it's exactly the name we defined right here, command. So if so, we must place it inside an if statement for sure. So we do if that is set, we could display stuff like tools, like let's just do echo tools, another method from the tool, get value or values, or get all values to get everything. And right here generally it does return an object, so we cannot do echo for it. Oops, printer, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and test this in the application. Okay, let's hello people and submit, and all is well. And right here we have commands, and the heavy is loading, ISO lang is English, ID lang, so we have plenty of stuff injected by Prestashop, and one of them is really important, which is the ID product that I need for later use to store this command for a specific product, which will be the topic of the coming videos. So that was how to handle the submission. Next episode will be more dive into this functionality.